All right, so one snake out of all my snakes, which I got my children to go ahead and put them in the tub for me, is Blizz. And Blizz really, really loves water. These Burmese pythons love to go and swim underwater. So if you have a Burmese python and you want them to go ahead and enjoy themselves, you go ahead and give them a bath. Now, I use lukewarm water. Now, I don't know Luke, and I don't know how he likes his water, but I can tell you this, it's not freezing cold, and it's not burning hot. So, it's in between the middle of kind of warm and kind of cold at the same time, because you don't want them to freeze over. Most of the time when they get in freezing water, it slows their heartbeat down and it makes them want to go and hibernate. So I put my snakes in kind of warm. It's not really warm at all to my touch, but to the snake, it's probably spot warm for this snake. Now, putting them in this warm water normally helps them digest their food. My albino Burmese Blizzard loves to poop whenever she gets in some of this warm water. Plus, it helps her butt, because sometimes, it hurts for these snakes to poop out a big poop. So sometimes by putting them in this water, it makes it easier for them to be able to use the bathroom and stuff like that. Plus, I put them in this water after I walk them outside because I don't want any unnecessary bugs or mites or anything getting inside of my enclosure. And I've realized that this is the best way that I can prevent from getting bugs inside my enclosure or inside of Blizz's tank, because once you get those bugs in there, you got to do several things to get the bugs out of the enclosure once you get them in there. So, and then when I put Blizz in here, she loves to go underwater and swim around, and she really just loves being inside the water most of the time. You see, look at that, she's underneath the water now. I believe these snakes could hold their breath up to 2 hours, but with a lot of practice, they can. But if I put Burma or any of my other snakes inside of the water, they get outside of the water. They'll jump outside of the tub. But Blizz will be in here the next 2 to 3 hours. So holla at your boy, people. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm making videos about snake care and things you can do with your Burmese python to get them more relaxed and feel better about you as a handler. Because when you have a snake, you don't want them to bite you, because getting bit, personally for me, it does not feel well, and it'll kind of scare you and put some fear into you about your snake. And nobody wants to feel like that about their pet. So I'll let your boy, people. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. It's your boy KP from KP Reptiles, and we over here giving Blizz, the albino blizzard, a bath after walking her outside or slithering her around, whatever you want to call it, people. Peace out.